Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you a rainy day at the lily collection. But before I show my lily collection, I would like to show you the lily of the valleys, the Convallaria maialis, because soon I'm going to put down the drips through here and I won't be able to lift the crates. So this one has a yellow edge. This one has variegated stripes, and here you can see that there are different cultivars which will bloom. Some of them won't bloom. This probably won't bloom, it's an anemone, and yeah. Ooh. So I keep most my Convallaria under these crates because there is too much sunshine. And you can see this one has a lot of buds. This has yellow shoots, and I forget to put the name tags out and I don't want to disturb the pots, but I have name tags in every pot and I know which cultivar is which. I just don't have the time. Oh, and look at this one, absolute favorite. I try to zoom in, and yes, so this one is called Albostriata, and I have a couple of them here, and this one is already in flower. This one's also in flower, and I have to pump out the water. And this one is Prolificans, because it has these different buds. This one is the cultivar I named. It's not yet registered, and it flowers very early, sprouts out very early, and also goes dormant very early. And I have nothing in this, not sprouting, just weeds, so I have to weed. This one is the pink one because it has a darker stem. And I also have some Polygonatum here and lilies, and of course some onion. I have this Polygonatum which sprouts purple and then reverts back to green, and a lot of weeds. So I have my program for the weekend: weeding. And this is Fusion. I already picked a couple of lily beetles this year from them, but for the moment I don't feel the need to spray. This is a Trillium, and I don't know if it's going to flower for me. Sanguinaria canadensis. Oh, and the Dodecatheon is already in bud. You can see it there. And the pagoda is finishing up. Pulmonarias. I love this Primula. It's lovely. I also have this double form of Ranunculus ficaria and the variegated form of Nepetam Phasanaceae Hills Giant. This is also a favorite of mine. Muscari Fantasy Creation, and I also have the lilies growing, Muscari, so they're sprouting nicely. Seedlings look okay, and well, some lilies have serious frost damage. These are LO hybrids, and the Iphaeon had too much water, rain. I have my yuccas over there, and I have Dicentra spectabilis in flowering. The other ones are not yet in bloom. Tulip project, research project. So you can see here some lilies have very nice big shoots. These are from Northern Europe and Northern North America, and they are just sprouting very nicely. They survived the frost quite well. There are some weeds. I have to put out. The Mortogon hybrids are looking okay, and I still wasn't able to put down the straw. Oh, some ferns are sprouting. I had to dispose most of my fern collection, so they are really big, so they're like almost 2 feet tall now. This one is definitely 2 feet tall, so 60 centimeters. These were the LA hybrids, and these are the Asiatics. These are slower a little bit. OTs, really nice big stems. Look at this big shoot. So this is the asparagus stage, and here is the crown stage, when it looks like a little palm tree, just have a crown of leaves at the top, and then they're sprouting more and more. So this one is huge. It's a tetrapod. Oh, and I have snails, unfortunately. They come out through the rain, and I have my daffodils finished up, hyacinths. Oh, this is one of my favorite. It's Tulipa clusiana, and it's a mixture of different cultivars. So Chrysantha and Lady Jane, they're just coming into flower. And look at these big huge stems, TA Bataleon. These TAs, the first generation TAs, look very nice, really big stems. And also the trumpets are sprouting. Orange planet, pink planet. Pink planet is not yet sprouting, but the others are. And ooh, this is huge. It's November Rain. It's an OA hybrid. Look at this, very nice purple foliage in the beginning, Easter morn, and then it's going to turn green. Lovely. These are just really small shoots coming up. So these are the rhizomatous onions, seedlings, and well, we had 30 degrees Celsius, so everything is growing like mad. Look at this strawberry event. That's thick stem. Foxtrot also thick stem. So thank you for joining me today, and see you next time. Goodbye.